So in today's part 3 video, we are going to create a Rasa Chatbot, a sample mood bot for this particular integration. So let's get started. I mentioned about how to install the Rasa inside your environment. So make sure you have done it, and if you haven't, just go to the link in the description. So right now we'll be going to the command prompt. So click on Windows button, then command prompt, click it, and here we have a command prompt. So go to your specific directory where you want it, and then activate your environment. So this will help us to create a bot so that all the libraries inside your particular environment would be there. So now I'll type activate Rasa workshop, which I had created on that particular video. So currently in this Rasa 2.0.2 version is there, and if you are using virtual env, so make sure you type this particular command env. So currently env is active, so let's type Rasa init. This will start creating a bot. So let's wait for some time, it will take some time. Okay, so currently it says please enter a project where it will be created. So right now I'll be saying let's say name as Android mood bot. So this will say, do you want to create that particular part? So I'll be saying yes, I want to create it. So press Y, and then you want to train it, so we'll be training it, so press yes. So it's training right now, so it won't take much time since it doesn't have much NLU or entities or anything, just as some moodiness. Okay, so do you want to speak with the train assistant? So we don't want to speak with them, so let's type N, and now bot has been created. So to access it, just go on to Visual Studio or PyCharm, whichever you prefer the ID. Currently here I do have open, so let me open a new folder for this. So here we have Android mood bot, and then okay, so here select folder and it will open it. So here we have all the files which has been added after the creation. So inside the models we have the trained model as tar.gunzip, and in test you can create some test stories, and here we have NLU. So NLU is an examples like a training data for the bot. So let's say here is a mood grade, so when the mood is great, so it will A user might say as perfect, great, amazing, wonderful, I am great, and also it can say as I am happy. So try to add it. If you don't want to add it, it's alright. And also when the mood is unhappy, it will say my day was horrible, I'm sad, I'm super sad, I'm so sad, sad, very sad, unhappy, good, not good, like that. So in the stories, we have happy path, sad path 1, sad path 2, and yeah, we have everything. And inside the domain, you can have a look here. Intents consist of all the intents right here. These are called intents inside the NLU. It's like you are giving name for the examples. Let's say like you're labeling things. Like supervised learning, I hope so you know it, but it's alright if you don't know. It's you can say it as labeling your training data. So here what we are doing is hey, hello, good morning. So the intention here is greetings. Whatever you say, like let's say, let me give you an example. So when I asked someone what is your name, can you tell me your name? So both of these sentences have the same intention, to get the name. So here the intention is greetings. So we can greetings can be in any form like that, and here it's goodbye. So goodbye can be in any form, so like this. And affirm means yes, positiveness, positive answer, like that. And denial is negative answer, so it's kind of no, not, never, I don't think so, not really, like that. And bot challenge is some kind of you are asking the bot, or the user is asking the bot that it is a bot or it's a human. So this might happen like that. Okay, and inside the stories, let me go through it. So when you are creating a story, you need a story and then name of the story, and you can give them steps. So the steps is intent, greet, and then action. When the intention is greet, what action does the bot do? So when the user says hi, then the bot should reply hi or hello or anything which is under greet section. And when the user says I am happy, then it should say about utter happy, which is saying as great, carry on, like that. And when the user is sad, so it will go through the sad path. So when the user say greet, utter greet, the same thing, but then after that we will be checking as mood unhappy, which we have created, it has created already right here. So it will be saying I'm sad, so sad, like that. So we'll be doing it cheer up thing. So in the cheer up, we'll be sending them an image link, and there will be a text, here is something to cheer you up. So and also then we'll be asking them, did that help you? So did that help you? It's a question. So if they say yes, then great, carry on, which is utter happy. And if they deny, so will we say see you, like that. Bye. You can add it like see you and so on. So if you add this all things, you need to train. So make sure you train it. And if you want to train, so there's a command for it. Let me show you how you can do it. I say see you. So go to the terminal, new terminal, and go right here in the drop down and select default shell. And in select default shell, click command prompt cmd.exe, not the Windows PowerShell. We don't need that. Okay, so right here we have it, and make sure you activate your environment before trying to train it. So let me activate it. Okay, so here it's activated, and then you can train it by doing Rasa train. So this will train and add all the updates we have made, like here I wrote I am happy, and also I write here see you. So this all will be added. And also till it's training, let me show you what is I am a bot. So currently we saw that there was a challenge named as bot challenge. So when the user asks are you a bot or are you a human or I am talking to a human, so it will say this, utter I am a bot. So what the text does it consist? I am a bot powered by Rasa, the new one. Okay, so this, and now if you want to talk with it, just type Rasa shell. This will help you to talk with your bot. So let's do it. Also it will run on the localhost 5005. Okay, so let's say hi, and it says how are you. So I'll say I am let's say happy. What does it say? Let's see. Okay, so it did consider it as happy path. Okay, so let's try it again and say hi. Says how are you. Let's say sad. So it didn't said anything. That's weird. Okay, so it didn't consider it, since there is no any kind of path right here that after this happy then it can say. So type restart. This will restart the bot. So let's say hi and then say it as sad. Now it did worked. So let's say yes, and it will say great, carry on. So right here, if like we don't have any kind of path where user is happy and then says hi and then says I'm sad. So because of that, we had to restart this by /restart and then start this particular thing again. So here we have a whole bot created by Rasa Init. This is a mood bot, simple mood bot, and this will be the bot which will be integrating with the Android app which we have created in the part 4. Make sure you are there in the part 4. It will be soon out, and Merry Christmas to all of them. And how was your experience creating the bot and application? And if you have any kind of doubt, like any kind of error you are getting, make sure comment it that you are getting, and I will be happy to help you out. See you in the next tutorial.